What is going on, guys? It is 4 Minute Friday, and today I'm talking about camera gear for backpacking. So I'm out backpacking, and I thought it would be the perfect time to talk to you guys about my camera gear. So let's just get right into it. So this is my camera that I'm bringing backpacking. It's the Sony a7R II. The lens is the baddest 18mm, and I typically bring my Sony 24 to 70mm as well. G Master. I just don't have it with me this time, and I think I'll probably bring it every other time because I miss it. So let's talk about cleaning stuff. So rocket blower, this is a must if you guys want to see more. I actually made a video because it's awesome. And then lens cleaner, and then a cloth and a Q-tip. Pretty simple. Now the other thing let's talk about is batteries. So I bring a lot of batteries. Again, it just depends on what you're going to be doing and how long you're going to be out here, but I bring 5 batteries. I then also bring a battery pack. It is the Anchor battery pack, and it's just super handy. It'll charge about 3 Sony batteries. So if you're going to be doing a lot of time lapses, they completely eat your battery. So you're going to want to bring a battery pack or a lot of Sony batteries. Now then, I'm trying to do this quick, guys, because it's a 4 Minute Friday and we need to do it in 4 minutes. So the next thing is an extra lens cap. Yes, I lost mine. It floated away on a river, and then I had to use the sock for the rest of the trip. So now, ever since then, I bring an extra one. So SD cards are always a must. I've made myself a little pack. It holds all my SD cards, so that way I don't have like a heavy one. But bring all the SD cards. Just bring them all, because it's silly not to, because they're so lightweight. So I bring 32 gigs or 64 gigs. I like time lapses. What can I say? I do a lot of time lapses, so I need a lot of SD cards and a lot of batteries. So filters. My first one is the 10-stop ND filter. Now this is just an extra thing that I bring because when you need it, it's amazing, and I love it. So filters, and then I also have a polarizer filter that is a must. So if you're a landscape photographer getting into landscape photography, that would be my suggested filter, because it really makes clouds pop, it makes reflections on lakes, and it's awesome. So then let's talk about carrying my camera. So I use the Peak Design clip. It clips right onto my shoulder strap, or it can clip onto your hip belt. It depends on your setup and how heavy it is, but with the Sony and the baddest, it's super light, so I just keep it right on my shoulder strap. So these are awesome. If you're a hiker and you don't know how to carry your camera, these are amazing, you guys. You'll probably want one. And then the last but not least is a tripod. So if you want to do star shots, you need a tripod. Now this one is a lightweight one. It's not very tall. It is the silk carbon fiber. So it's lightweight, not bad. And then I have a head on there that is also compatible with the plate for the Peak Design clip. So then that way I don't have to change out plates all the time. Pretty sweet, right? So this one's not crazy versatile as far as if you wanted to do vertical, you'll have to change your clip. If you want to do horizontal, it just depends on how you want to actually put that in there. So that's it, because it only has this one adjustment. But so that's it. That's what I bring. I made it in 4 minutes. Yes. Anyways, that is all my gear, for all my camera gear for backpacking. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm sorry I talked so quickly, but I wanted to get it done in 4 minutes. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.